Command-Shift-3 takes a screenshot of the entire screen, Command-Shift-4 allows you to select an area to screenshot, and Command-Shift-5 brings up the screenshot menu. Most Mac users already know these shortcuts, but what if I told you there are easier ways? In fact, you can take a screenshot with just a single key on Mac, and thanks to today's sponsor, Simple Screenshot, just a couple mouse clicks. But more on that later on. Let's start with taking one key screenshots on Mac. It's super simple. Go to the Apple menu, click on System Settings, and then click on the Keyboard section towards the bottom. In here, click on the Keyboard Shortcuts button. Then, click on the Screenshot section. In here, you can click to edit the shortcut combinations for all the different types of screenshots. So I can change the Save Picture of Screen shortcut to simply F5, and the Save Picture of Selected Area shortcut to F6. If you like screenshotting directly to the clipboard, you may want to make the shortcut for that F7. I do want to mention it depends a little bit on the model Mac you're using and your workflow, which function keys you use the most. You obviously don't want to override some commonly used keys like the Adjust Brightness keys, but I'm sure you can find at least one or two seldomly used function keys that can be better repurposed to take super easy screenshots. And if you're more of the control by mouse type of person, well, then the application Simple Screenshot is the exact solution that you're looking for. It's a super lightweight application that puts a camera icon in your menu bar where you can click and select a screenshot option. So to screenshot the entire screen, you can just click the camera icon and then click Take Screenshot. That's it. I find this is super useful when I'm working with graphics and can't take a quick glance at the keyboard to find where the shortcut keys are. I just mouse to the menu, click, click, done. It's from a small developer who's been really nice to work with, and they even gave me a coupon code to share with all of you, Anson 10, so you can save 10% at checkout, so make sure to take advantage of that, and thanks again to Simple Screenshot for sponsoring this video. Now it's time to take it to the next level. I want to shift back to Command-Shift-5, which brings up the screenshot menu. First of all, fun fact, you can open this menu up from Spotlight as well by searching for Screenshot and then just opening the Screenshot app. In this menu, the first option just screenshots the whole screen. Boring. But the second option is actually really useful. It screenshots just the active window. You don't have to worry about cropping or background images. It's super clean and I use it all the time when creating these tutorials. The third option lets you select an area, which is pretty straightforward, same as Command-Shift-4. The option menu in here is actually quite useful, however. From here, you can customize your screenshot settings. So you can choose a different location to save screenshots to, configure a timer if you like, and modify some quality of life features like, for example, enabling the mouse cursor in your screenshots, which is hidden by default. The fourth option is also really powerful. It lets you capture a video recording of your screen, and once you select it, you can click on the option menu and record an audio device at the same time. If I were just starting out doing software tutorials nowadays, this is exactly the budget solution that I would use to record my screen. But I do like to add some fancy mouse effects, so I'm using a paid solution. But there you have it. These are the most effective and efficient ways to take screenshots on Mac. Now, how are you going to find all of the files that you have now that you're taking so many screenshots? Well, check out this video right here to find out the most effective and robust methods for searching for any file on your Mac computer. That's all I have for today, everyone. I hope you learned something new and can capture your screen faster than ever. I'm Anson Alexander, and I'll see you in the next video.